It's incredibly difficult at the moment to find a good home in Sandgate at an absolute stellar price. Well, we've just found it, number 27 Wakefield Street. This property has so much to offer and it's only 800 meters down the road from the water. Come, let's go check it out. Well, as you can tell guys, this is a beautifully quaint home in such a fantastic location. I'll be surprised if it lasts on the market long. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next open home.